How to disable DMs on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Instagram on a device. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then scroll down. Now wonder how others can interact with you. Simply tap on messages and story replies. Now tap on message request. Now wonder who can send you message request. Simply tap on your followers on Instagram and select don't receive request. Now tap on update. Similarly, go back and tap on others. Again select don't receive and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.